Rain falls with droplets bouncing. A child without an umbrella, soaked through, running in a straight line. The sky darkens, the world is dim, and eerily mysterious and gloomy atmosphere. The lady from the remote mountain village who saved the last candle's light never had a smile. People often say that farewells are contained in raindrops, and children often staring at the rainbow stuff their pockets with bits of curiosity. When I'm gets with bits of curiosity, I long to see beyond the clouds. I long to see the end of the horizon. People carry regrets, children wear dreams. Yes, when the rain stops, another world awaits. The lady from the remote mountain village who saved the last candle's light never had her smile. People often say that farewells are contained in raindrops, and children often staring at the rainbow stuff their pockets with bits of curiosity. When it rockets with bits of curiosity. When it rains, the world changes, and we live within it, gathering memories and dreaming, embracing a new beginning. Ooh. Yes, when the rain starts